Hey, what's going on, everybody? Alan Anthony from Phone Tech at Work, doing a quick video for you guys for the new color of the TCL 10 Pro. Now, if you look on the bottom, this is the forest mist green version of the TCL 10 Pro. And if you guys already know, I already unboxed the TCL 10 Pro, but they actually sent me out the new color because I really wanted to check it out. And when I first saw it, when the phone first had dropped, I really wanted this color instead of the gray color. But as you can see from the box, it's the same exact front. So not sure about that, but it does have the green running the screen for both right here. So let's just pop this baby open and see what it looks like. Gonna make this video super quick. But if you guys want to run through the specs, I will have that link down below. Taking out a little Miggy real fast. Alright, so let's just pop this box in this. I just got a phone call. Shout out to my little brother. So let's just take this out. Alright, so if you guys did actually see the TCL 10 Pro, oh, look at this. Already got a feeling about this one. Alright, so here's the phone itself. And if you guys did not see my first unboxing, let me show you what actually comes inside the box. So you have your SIM ejection tool, just like so. And you have, what else you got? So you have your Type C to Type A charging cable, and you have your fast charging brick from TCL right over there. Alright, so let's see what's inside here. I forgot what's inside here. Oh yeah, so we do get a free case. I totally forgot about the free case. This did actually get scratched up a whole bunch, but there's a few cases out there. There's some from what's the company, Tudia, but here you go. Check. Oh man, this is fire, dude. Look at this color. This should have been the only color that should have came out. Look at this forest mist green color. Alright, so as you guys can see, I will have a link down below, but overall the phone was very solid when I was using this. It does have a Snapdragon 675 processor, 128 gigabytes of internal storage. So you have a macro cam, you have a 64 megapixel camera in the back. There's so many specs on this for the price, for only $450. This did actually go on sale a few times, so if you guys wait a bit, you could actually get this for a really good price. Now they will have a 5G TCL 10 coming real soon. That's from what I was reading, but just stay tuned for that. You know, hopefully that will be top dog. But just the color on this is absolutely amazing. So I'm just here to actually showcase the color, because you guys already know about this phone already. It's been out for a few months, but a very, very solid phone, beautiful. Let me get the other one so I can showcase what they look side by side with each other. Alright, so here's what they look like side by side with each other. Definitely a difference. And if you guys are tired of the same gray, black, and white phones, this is definitely the one for you. But they're very similar. Very beautiful too. Alright, so if you guys need a spec rundown, like I said earlier, I will have the whole specs down below, or I will have a link down below. This does have an IR blaster and a headphone jack on top as well. Definitely one of the most underrated phones of 2020. A lot of people have forgot about it, but I certainly haven't. The TCL 10L was actually a great phone. My son is actually using that right now. He's definitely enjoying this. The cameras were pretty good on this as well. Gotta see about the security update. I think the last one I saw was probably August, July or August, but I will definitely check this out to see if it has an update, and I will update you guys down in the comments. So if you guys like this video, hit it with a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and follow Phone Tech at Work for more videos like this of the TCL 10 Pro and more tech to come. Peace and love. I'll see you guys in the next video. Later.